Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Kermit the Frog from the Muppets. So let's get started. To draw Kermit, we're going to first start by drawing his eyes. So let's start right here and I'm going to draw a big curve at an angle. So something like this. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to move from this point over just a little bit, maybe about that much, and I'm going to draw another curve. Same thing on the other side. So about right there. I'm just going to drag a point about right there. And once again, go ahead and connect it. So we have the eyes in. Now let's come between the eyes right about here, and we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So then from there, we're going to imagine this curve coming through. So around where the eye is right here on this edge, we're going to come out with a curve on both sides. So then from there, let's come in and angle this with a soft curve that comes in. And then let's go ahead and just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There, so we have Kermit's face in. So then let's come in here and we're going to draw his eyes. So in this part right here, let's come in and I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center. And I'm going to thicken that curve. So same thing over here. Just right in the middle of it. So you can leave it like, well, let's draw the face, the mouth first so you can see a little bit better. So let's come to the bottom, kind of like where this part pops out the most. We're going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a big curve right across. And then let's connect it all the way towards the bottom for a big happy smile. You can come in here and cap it off. And then right in the center, let's draw his tongue. Right in the center, and then you can add a little line right in the center. So you can leave his eyes just like this, or you can come in here if you want. So I'm just going to show you the two ways you can do it, and draw oval right there in the center. So following the angle of this eye, just draw that oval right there for Kermit's eyes. So from there, let's come and draw his body. We're going to start with this little collar that he has. So right in the center, give myself 2 points, and I'm going to curve it out on both sides. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with some zigzags. There. Then let's draw his little body. So I would say about right here we'll start. And I'm just going to draw a curve around. And let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. So then let's draw his legs since we're down here. Come towards the center and I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center. And let's bring this down, so towards the middle. About there, and then let's go and come to the side right here, kind of following the curve. And about right there, we're going to start to flare it out. So let's draw this foot first. And I'm just going to add 3 curves. There. So same thing on this side. Start to flare it out. And 1, 2, and 3. And then as for his hands, we're making it really a little bit simpler, so I'm just going to have him tuck it behind. So let's come about right here. And about that area, I'm going to start to angle it in. So same thing on this side. About where you angle it, about right there, and just angle it in. There. And then of course, let's add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Kermit. And if you like, you can add a bunch of hearts right here on the top. Because I know Kermit here is all about giving love, right? So maybe, let's see, room for another one, a smaller one. And there you go. So pretty much it for the drawing for Kermit. So now let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love this cute Kermit the Frog and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.